Kucoin just did this to Terra Classic token. Now, Kucoin are one of the biggest crypto exchange out there. Kucoin, to me, what they did is a good example, and I love the fact that Kucoin and Binance controls about 70% of Terra Classic tokens. Kucoin are one of the biggest crypto exchange with over 2 million Twitter followers. They are among the top 5. Now, between Kucoin and Binance, these two control about 70% of Terra Classic. Now, Kucoin have come out to show more support for Terra Classic token. They actually said they will be accepting the 1.2% tax bond with no charges. Remember, Binance have accepted a 1.2% tax bond, but Binance also added extra 1%. Although it doesn't mean anything to me, but Binance will be charging, instead of 1.2%, Binance will be charging 1.3%. But Kucoin are saying they are not charging for anything. They will be charging just the 1.2% tax bond. It's a good one for Terra Classic, for Kucoin to come out and show this support, and we believe that between Kucoin and Binance, of course, Terra Classic is expected to massively increase in price. I love the fact that other crypto exchange can also copy Kucoin, okay, coming out to show more support for Terra Classic. And then remember that this video is not a financial advice, so please kindly do your own research before taking any decision. Now, even if you want to buy Terra Classic LUNC, to me, I would say it's better you buy it now, because now is the best time, now is the right time to purchase LUNC. Terra Classic token, yes, is expected to increase in price, and we know Terra Classic is going to massively increase in price. Once again, remember, this video is not a financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decision.